and welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. We are starting off the vlog a little bit later today. It's actually around 1 o'clock, even though it's Sunday, and usually we do vlog our entire day, but to be honest, this morning we have just been relaxing. I finished editing the vlog that went up this morning, and then basically we just had some lunch, I got ready, and now we are here. So we have not done anything productive whatsoever today, but I am craving High Point coffee, so I think that we are actually going to head out and go get some High Point coffee. It's a little farther from our house, but I'm just craving it, so I want that, and we're gonna go get it. We don't have anything to go do really out and about, so we're just literally gonna go out just for the coffee and then probably come back home. I can't believe I almost forgot. This morning when we got the mail, we got a very exciting package, because if you watch, I don't even know what Vlogmas day it was.
It was like one of the very first weeks.
Yeah, it was like one of the very first Vlogmas days, but it was the day that we did our yearly ornament tradition, so if you haven't watched that vlog, you should. But we basically bought one of our new ornaments for this year, and it was the 2020 ornament, but it didn't have Bear on it, so we bought a little attachment piece that we could write Bear's name on and add him to our ornament, and it is here. I'm so excited that it got here so we can add him to our ornament so that he can be on our tree. So we're gonna do that really quick before we head out to get the coffee. First, I need to write his name on it, so that's what I'm gonna do really quick. I always get so stressed when I'm writing on these because I feel like I'm gonna mess it up and I don't get a do-over. I don't think it looks that bad. I think I did a pretty okay job. Let's go add it to our ornament. So it looks like it just has this little like sticky thing that I remove, and I can just like stick it on the ornament. So that's what we're gonna do. And then we're just gonna add him right to the toilet paper right here. Super cute. I love that we're all three on this. I think it makes it so perfect because we've definitely all been quarantined together this year.
Probably Bear's favorite year.
Probably. He has thoroughly enjoyed us being all home together. I love it. I think it represents our year so perfect, and I'm so glad Bear is finally on it. Also, update on the new bed. If you watched the vlog where we gave this to him, he absolutely loves it. He just curled up in it. He loves his little Christmas bed. Do you love your bed? Do you love? He's such a sleepy boy. So we made it home from our coffee run and got our High Point coffee, which is literally delicious. I've almost drank the whole thing already. I also totally forgot to show you guys yesterday, and I was going to, but I found the coolest candy canes yesterday while we were at the store. Basically, so they're SpongeBob themed, which is kind of funny because I'm not like super into SpongeBob or anything, but the little Krabby Patty candies are so good, and like as a kid I loved them, and even still as an adult, like during Christmas time I always get them for myself because they're delicious. And I found these candy canes that are flavored the same, and they come with a Krabby Patty, which I was literally obsessed when I saw this. I was like, oh my freaking gosh, I have to get this. And they had a whole bunch of different types of candy ones at the store. Like they had juicy drop pops, I don't remember what else they had. I think they had like ring pop ones, but anyways, it like has like the candy cane that it comes with, and then it comes with like a little mini version of the actual candy itself. And I thought that that was like the weirdest things. I've never seen something like that before, but also really cool. So anyways, I just wanted to share it because I thought that was very interesting. Johnny and I were also just talking, and we totally forgot to make Bear's gingerbread house, and I am upset that we didn't do it yesterday. So we're probably totally gonna do this today at some point and make Bear's gingerbread house so that he can have one to go alongside ours. Another thing that I've been really wanting to do is bake gingerbread men and bake sugar cookies. Those are both things that we always do every year as well. When we were making our gingerbread houses last night, I just remembered how much I love actually eating gingerbread cookies, especially the soft ones. I don't like the hard gingerbread to eat. I just like the soft ones, and usually we make those every year too so that we can have some to decorate and eat. So I think that we're going to do that today, and then hopefully later on this week we can make some sugar cookies. I don't think that we can fully get the gingerbread men done today just because it is pretty late already, and it does have to chill in the fridge usually for at least 3 or 4 hours, but usually I leave it overnight. So I figure if we make the dough today, then tomorrow we can decorate them, and then probably tomorrow we will also make the dough for the sugar cookies so that we can do that and decorate those later on in the week. Anyways, I'm gonna get started on the gingerbread dough, and let's get that in the fridge. So let's look at our recipe and see what we're needing. I feel like making gingerbread is a little more complicated. I don't know why. I always get like stressed when I'm about to make gingerbread, but it just turns out so good in the end that I can't not do it this year. And I don't feel as stressed because it's not the houses. I feel like with the houses there's a lot of like pressure because if you don't make those turn out like exactly perfect, then your houses aren't gonna turn out exactly perfect. But with the gingerbread men, it's gonna be tasty either way.
I love these gingerbread. I normally hate gingerbread cookies, but these ones are so soft and so good.
I know. Yeah, I don't like eating hard gingerbread, but the soft ones, so good. I have so many Pinterest boards that I can't even keep things straight. Christmas, there it is. Found it. First, I'm just gonna like pull out all of the ingredients and set them out so that we have it all ready to go. So we need some butter and then brown sugar. We got our brown sugar out. It is looking a little bit crumbly, but hopefully it'll be okay because this is all we have. I didn't really realize this. So if it turns out bad, it turns out bad, but we're gonna roll with it. Now I've got all of the ingredients laid out and let's get started. We don't have a pantry, so we keep our mixer in this closet. So Johnny is pulling it down right now. Yeah, our coat closet is multifunctional in an apartment. It has a lot of things in here.
A basketball, a couple backpacks.
A printer, actual coats, which is surprising, wrapping paper, you know, just the usual. To beat the butter into the bowl. I really should have pre-measured my ingredients so that I don't have to go through and measure them as we go.
Yeah, that's definitely something we learned from HelloFresh, is that pre-measuring before you cook saves lives.
It saves so much time. Let's see how this brown sugar goes because it's looking pretty rough. So we decided that this brown sugar is too far gone to actually allow us to bake with it, and it's actually expired. We checked the date. So we are gonna go run and get some more brown sugar, and then we will finish this when we get back. And we are back and we have brown sugar. The struggle of wearing a sweater while trying to bake, it literally just does not work, but I'm freezing. So we're rolling with it.
Molasses is so thick.
I know, it's kind of weird and it's kind of gross too. It smells bad too. I don't like the way it smells. Ugh.
Let me smell. It smells like tomato sauce.
Oh my gosh, I can see that. That's weird. I've never thought of that before, but it really does. I can't unsmell the tomato sauce thing now. That's the weirdest thing. So add the brown sugar and molasses and beat on medium-high speed until combined and creamy.
Nice sauce.
Thanks. Beat in egg and vanilla on high speed for 2 full minutes. I love how this dough looks when it's done being mixed for that long. It's like it almost looks whipped. It's so cool looking. And now for this one, I need to mix all of the dry ingredients in this bowl. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And all the dry ingredients are added. I'm gonna whisk this all together. All right, and that's the last of it. So we should have a nice dough. I want to take my ring off so I don't get dough into it. And then what we gotta do from here is just separate it into 2 pieces and wrap it in plastic wrap. So we got them pre-portioned out, split in half, and all covered in plastic wrap. So now we have to refrigerate them. I'm gonna refrigerate them overnight because we have to do at least 3 hours. And if we waited the full 3 hours, then it would be like 8 o'clock at night. So we are just gonna go ahead and put them in now and let them chill overnight, and we'll probably cook and decorate them on tomorrow's video. I'm actually so excited for these. Did you taste the dough?
Oh, I've been eating so much dough.
Really? It's good, huh?
It's so good.
I love this dough. I'm excited to have those tomorrow. That's gonna be so delicious. I think that next we are going to make the gingerbread house for Bear because that is something we absolutely must do today. But earlier today, I saw that Mr. Beast opened up 300 new restaurants, and he has one here in Utah. If you don't know who Mr. Beast is, you should Google it, search him on YouTube, watch some of his videos because he's crazy cool, like literally one of the best YouTubers out there in my opinion. But I was super excited when I heard that he opened some restaurants, and I'm very intrigued to try the food that he's serving. So I think we're going to order that for dinner tonight and just try it. So we're gonna order that now and then probably start on Bear's gingerbread house, and it'll probably get delivered, I would guess, around the time that we're done with that. So hopefully it's perfect timing. We got it ordered. I literally can't believe that we're about to have Mr. Beast burgers. But it's not gonna be here for like an hour, so we're gonna start on Bear's gingerbread house. And here is the finished product. I think it turned out super duper cute. I love how all of the little decoration pieces are like dog treats. I feel like this also matches Bear's personality super well. It's super Christmassy. I love it. I think this was such a fun project for us. And our order got here. So we have our Mr. Beast burgers. Let's try them out. We got combo meals. So we have some sodas to go with it. And then we both got Mr. Beast burgers. And we got just the regular fries, and we also got a Beast style fry, but they didn't give it to us. They just gave us both regular fries, so I guess we'll have to try both regulars. And then we also ordered a grilled cheese to try it too.
Not any grilled cheese. We ordered Carl's inverted grilled cheese.
Yeah.
But they didn't
give us that either. They just left that one completely out. So kind of sad about that, but it's okay. It's okay.
Still got Mr. Beast fries.
And Beast style burgers.
Beast style burgers.
Should we try the fries first?
Sure. Really good seasoning.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they almost have like a spice to them. Really, really good. Now to try the burgers. We both have Beast style because neither one of us wanted to try anything else besides the Beast one because that looked the best. They look really good.
Yeah, they look really good. Patties look good. Once they get cheese, ketchup, pickles, and I think it's an onion. I just don't see the onion.
I see onion on mine. Okay, let's try them. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely want to just sit down and eat this now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, really good burger. Not a lot to it. Very simple.
Yeah, definitely. These are delicious. I don't even feel like it tastes like a fast food burger. Like it kind of does, but not really.
Yeah.
Like the actual patty itself definitely doesn't taste like a fast food burger.
It's really good quality.
They have them all over the place. If you know who Mr. Beast is, or even if you don't, you should try the burgers because, you know, really good. Fries are good. Wish we could have tried Mr. Beast style fries or Beast style fries or whatever they are, and the Carl's inverted grilled cheese, but that will have to wait for another day. And we're gonna go enjoy this food and check in with you guys in a bit. And it's time for our Advents. Today's theme is dollar store items, so these ones are probably going to be a little bit silly, but I am still excited anyways, and it is my turn to go first, so I will go ahead and start us off. Day 21.
We are so close, dude.
Only 3 more vlogs after this one, and then Vlogmas is over.
Any guesses?
I feel like it feels like a bath bomb. We're gonna open it and find out. It is a bath bomb, it looks like. Strawberry and cream. And actually, I feel like a bath would be really fun tonight, so this sounds amazing. Thank you. What are your guesses?
It feels like a candy, but I don't know what kind of a candy. Which is good, because I haven't had candy yet, and I believe every Advent should have a candy. I wish I didn't squish these so hard.
Do you think you smushed them?
I smushed one of them, yeah. Yeah, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Delicious. Thank you so much. My favorite.
All right, Mr. Bear. Day 21. Today it is another green bone. I feel like we've had a few of these by now.
Yeah.
Okay, what tricks are you gonna do for me today, Bear?
Stare.
Yeah, you. Okay, up. Good boy, sit. Good boy, shake. Good boy. Lay down. Good boy. Roll over. Good boy. All right, and that is everything for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you've ever made your own gingerbread, and I will be back tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye, guys.